NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 8, Exercise 8.1, Multiple Choice Question 9. If sin A plus sin² A is equal to 1, then the value of the expression cos² A plus cos⁴ A is option A 1, option B 1 by 2, option C 2, and option D 3. Let us find the answer. We are given that sin A plus sin² A is equal to 1. Using the identity sin² A plus cos² A is equal to 1, we can write sin² A as 1 minus cos² A. That implies sin A plus sin² A is 1 minus cos² A is equal to 1. We can cancel 1 on both sides. That implies sin A is equal to cos² A, or cos² A is equal to sin A. Let us find the value of given expression. Cos² A plus cos⁴ A. Cos² A plus cos⁴ A can be written as cos² A whole square. That is equal to, we know that cos² A is sin A plus cos² A is sin A whole square. Sin A plus sin² A. From the given equation, sin A plus sin² A is equal to 1, we can write this expression as 1. Therefore, cos² A plus cos⁴ A is equal to 1, which is option A. Therefore, if sin A plus sin² A is equal to 1, then the value of the expression cos² A plus cos⁴ A is option A 1.